guys, I got a big box of alarms. So here's a broken smoke detector body. Just fell off. Crap. I need to fix this first. Okay. A Lego Commando 2 light plate. Lego speaker. Lego Commando 1. What the crap? Classic Spectre remote strobe. Halloween strobe light. A Demco DES light plate. Actually, I made that one. Honeywell pull station. A sono alert on a tote light plate. That's the one I built. A gunmetal plate. Classic Spectre mechanical one. Blue square box. Part of the Gentex smoke detector that's broken. A Demco light switch. U-Lock NS that doesn't have a strobe or a horn with a red strobe on it. My U-Lock NS again. A 12-volt transformer that works everything. Emergency shut-off switch. Another Lego Commando 1 over here. Lego Commando 3 with a Gentex with the broken smoke detector horn on it, but the horn still works. This one's in a Demco burglar alarm. A Demco push button, red button. Stop. The operate door button. Big square blue rectangle. Little blue rectangle. A Demco DES horn. There's the mounting plate. A Demco GES horn. Rope action camera. Yes, your Demco mounting plate for the light switch like this. Another Halloween strobe light with it's red actually, red bulb, 120 volt strobe light, 12 volt transformer, classic spectral ceiling mount, one strobe. I colored this silver because it looks ugly, and it's broken. The razor horn is broken. The purple bulb a purple bulb again. Usual switch and 6 volt battery. And that is all my fire alarms. Good luck.